In a spot with a zipper dope to the heights now. On the east side with a strap getting iced.
Alright guys, Stan Style here, back at it again with another video. You recognize the background. We are here at the freaking kitchen. Thomas Automotive. We're here today. We're going to be diving into the lights for the interior. While I was gone, e-brake cover, Greg cooked up on this. We got the fine line. Just imagine this stuff, but on the roof. It's gonna go crazy. Dead pedal, all silvered up. And check this out. You wouldn't even think this is the underside of a fender compared to what it last looked like. But yeah, no, we got this shit smooth. It looks like it's honestly one piece. It looks like it came from Audi like this. It's like this was the wide body kit that Audi made for the TT. That looks great. Yeah, also you can tell this is smooth. I already went over this, but you already know. Door trim plastic piece, the dome light piece. I was sourcing a couple of pieces. I didn't know if I wanted to have Greg paint this or if I wanted to use one from Audi. Paint looks better than Audi, so we did the Greg's paint. Yeah, it's just a bunch of interior pieces. Already showed you guys the climate control there. And then right here, so in here we have a bunch of, these are actually like speaker lights, I guess you could say. So seats are also in. Greg also put these damn seats in, so these things are sick. We're gonna have to take them out then and put the carpets in, but I'll show the carpets next. But we're gonna mount it to the door card and it just sits right in here. So in the grill, it's illuminated. So that's gonna match the vents. It's gonna match all the fine little trim light that's gonna go all around here. It's all gonna be connected to the switch in here. You guys saw the color last time and it was a little off. Put in 2 more sections of dye and I think I'm keeping up these colors. It's black, so it's gonna look sick. We're gonna put these in. Almost forgot to. Check this out. So I actually don't have a picture of what this looked like before, or actually Greg does. So Greg's gonna send me a picture. I'm gonna insert it right here. Boom. So you see how ugly this was. Now check this out here. Looks OEM, yo. Like, obviously the fender liners aren't in, but I mean, I don't even think I need fender liners now. This is all like,
it's 3M undercoated, but I sealed it up prior. So it's literally a whole bunch of layers of stacked fiberglass, just like your kit, extended, and then also fiberglass reinforced, and then primed, painted, and undercoated.
Some preventative stuff to keep this thing on the road. This is insane. I did not expect it to look this dope. But yeah, my damn exhaust pipe fell off on the interstate. Bro, my fucking exhaust fell off, and this guy, I don't even know him, but he came in clutch. Holy dude. And ripped my diffuser off, so you can see the filler work here. This was completely cracked, shattered, hanging off. I dragged it a ton, so this was all roughed up, but this is in the works now. Basically what we're gonna be doing with this is we're gonna get this molded to the rear bumper along with the front lip over here. Everything's gonna be molded on this. It's gonna be freaking cohesive and it's just gonna look, it's gonna be freaking awesome. I'm so excited to show you guys this. Let's start wiring this thing. Bolts are finger tight. Shout out Planted again for the brackets. Shout out Modify Street for the seats. Carpets are in. Greg's aluminum shavings are all up in this shit, so it looks like I have sparkle carpets. So, but we're gonna wire this lamp back up because we had to cut it to get it out. Because I don't actually, there's no unplugging. It's just we had to cut it to get it out to paint it. I could not record this because this is always a pain in the balls to get in. Obviously, these lights will work. I forget what this one is. Okay, so yeah, this is in. That looks sick. I didn't cut too short there, thankfully.
We're gonna back probe some of the lights and see if we get some power from it to be able to splice into. Okay, no, but this is interesting. Every time we probe this and give it a ground, the auto light comes on. So we're getting there. We just gotta probe a different wire. That closes out a circuit. All right, you can do it now. We found what switch it does.
All right, go for it.
So, boom. So that's when I switch my lights on. The DRL should come on. So, boom.
Here we go. While Greg is freaking bandaging that wire back up, I'm working on these vents. So this one actually fit in, surprisingly. These ones, I have to shave these tabs down. This side will pretty much go in. That little tab right there stops it. But over here, if you look, that tab is stopping it from going in. And I'd rather take away plastic on these than take away my dash. So, all right, so every single vent is now actually in. Those are all actually flush. I'm gonna switch this panel and the lights on. Boom, boom, boom.
They look good.
And boom. Yes, sir. Good to go. Over here, look at this, check this out. So this is power for my underglow. You put this on this, and the fucking underglow starts lighting up, as you can see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna extend this all the way to that switch in there, so I can use the underglow that way. Now the wire just gets eaten.
Where I have some leeway. Okay. Walk up for right now.
Oh wait, I'm gonna go on that side. I'm gonna grab it through there. Yeah. Feed the wire from that side, do that grommet, and through the back side here. I see it. I see it. Oh, I think I got it. I got it.
Because I want to give you enough leeway.
Yeah. Ran all the way through there into the switch. Oh, finally got it wired to the second switch here. Click that switch. Let's see what happens. All right, there you go. Boom. Look at that. Oh, that is so dope. That is so dope. The actual underglow strips are right here. We have this wire running all the way through here, through there, like I explained, to the switch. Now we got easy underglow, so I don't get pulled over and I don't have to fumble through an app to freaking turn it on and off. We got oh, here they are, they're already on. Every single light. They work, we just gotta figure this massive diagram of wiring out. All right, so this is very complicated. So Tony's gonna try to explain it to his best of his ability.
So pretty much, for whatever reason, they set up this main master controller to not really give you connections to the sub-controllers.
Yeah, this is a sub-controller, and that's a main controller.
So
there's 5 different controllers for each kind of light we have here. So
and from what I can see, rather than even giving us 2 of these connectors to just plug it into the main harness, we're gonna have to splice these either into the key or into this positive and negative.
in your guys' terms, this is gonna take us a while, so we're gonna get to grinding.
A lot of wires.
And once we have it mocked up, then we'll cut to the next clip and I'll get it there. But we're about to grind out for a little bit here and let's get into this. All right, guys. So we have basically here is one piece of the puzzle to the wires that are gonna be everywhere. This is one sub panel that will go to each door, and each door is gonna be speaker light, little puddle light, and then obviously the ambient strip that goes in the door card. We're gonna have the ambient light ran through here, speaker light shining through this grill, and that pod light is gonna be right here. So when the doors are up, there's a light just like shine into the stars or some shit, you know. I gotta plastic weld this door card to this so we can actually tuck the LED in here. While I do this, you guys are gonna watch me do that. Greg is over here extending each one of these wires about 1 foot so we can actually route them throughout the whole car. Watch me melt this stuff.
I moved them. That was my fault.
All right, moving on to Greg over here. Here he is extending all of the wire and everything. How's it going? Yeah, having a great time?
Yeah, I mean, as good as a time as you think I'd be having.
You know the other team with the Super Bowl?
There he
the
is.
Eagles?
Don't turn the lights on, I got my ice on. Don't turn the lights on, I got my ice on. Ironic how my niggas sold a B off an iPhone.
It's been few freaking weeks, long weeks. That last clip, last thing you were seeing, we're figuring out the wiring for the doors, like getting a diagram of where we wanted to put it. Fast forward a few weeks later, we actually got the wires pretty much where they're supposed to be. There's just obviously a little bit more mock-up that we're supposed to be doing here, but here's the car so far. Front lip is now molded to the front bumper, which is pretty sick. A lot more progress on the hood, as you guys can see. Looks freaking great. Lambo doors still don't fit perfect. We still gotta do some accommodations. But let's go over here and check this out. Actually, I don't even know if the lights are on. Actually, the lights are on actually right now. So let me. So it's a little teaser of. It's not completely done yet, but this is what we're working with. Go from over here and look at it. So yeah, obviously right there, y'all can see the freaking, that speaker light looks so good, bro.
Does it? I need to see it from that side.
Yeah, it looks so good. But yeah, so that's in there, guys. You can see the ambient light strip there.
Oh, that looks nice.
Vent lights are on. Strip light there, strip light there. Everything looks freaking good. Currently, we're working on this side right now, so that's what I'll be able to show you guys right now. But if I pop the trunk, everything is pretty much just still a mess, but it's a lot better than what it was when we were last here. We have a more understanding of what all this means. All the fur is pretty much in now. Shit looks crazy. But as you guys can see, that seat needs moved over. Can't even put that seat back anymore, but we're gonna move that seat over. But let's just get into finishing up this door panel, and then I'll get more clips of the car for you guys.
There's only a few plugs.
Yeah, so we just gotta do this. Wait, no, it's not even this one. Oh, dude, that's in there too. Okay. That wasn't even the right one.
To be honest.
Okay, there. I'll plug this one back in though. Some stuff has to be done behind closed doors, guys. You guys can't always see the process. Gotta gatekeep how to do this.
Can I get this bitch to refocus?
Alright, this can go up now. This one, you push this little gray thing in, right? You slide this pink thing above it. Yep. Basically, everyone, if you look here, mount this to that, and basically what we've been using is double-sided tape. This light is wired over to here. We have it all taped up here and tucked up very nice. Oh, that's
Kind of match the
yeah,
outside.
yeah. We're gonna clean the surface off and tape this freaking speaker up. Only freaking some of this tape was even useful. You just gotta use a lot of tape. Keep these things in place. I'm not trying to be driving in the middle of the night and all my freaking lights cut off and my mood's ruined. But yeah. So there we go. It's pretty solid in there.
Nice.
So on to the next thing, guys. Alright, so I just put tape along the whole entire strip. We're gonna secure it so it's actually in there permanently. Hopefully the channel loves it. But yeah, dude, this thing looks crazy. Black. Front bumper's black now, so like now the whole car low-key kind of look black, and
Dude, all black does go.
it does look really good, but yeah, no.
Way up in, and then get the rest around it.
Yeah. But yeah, I will get back to you guys once we get that freaking mocked up. You guys don't need to see all that. I know you guys are gonna click off the video if it's just silence. Alright, so if you guys look in here, you can see the LED is exposed the whole way down. So it'll look way better than it did before when we just had it temporarily mocked up. Let's get this door on. There's that light. Going up temporarily. And we'll hang right here. Illuminated limbo door. Very illuminated. Whoa. Alright, not illuminated.
It's a pain in the dick, but it's worth it because it looks good.
It does. Where the fuck is that? Memory of the pink. Actually, the freaking, if you look at the spoiler, still pink. Well, that's done, guys. So we're gonna honestly cut it right now, and then we're just gonna get this dialed in, and I'll have a compilation of some video clips of it. Fuck. All right, guys. Here she is. We got the lights mocked up. Let me grab this camera real quick. As you guys can see, shit is crazy. Hold on, let me show you guys here. Let's get inside. Yeah. Insane. Yeah, that's all I gotta say, honestly, guys, is I gotta go soon, and I'm just gonna give you this is just a quick sneak peek of what we got coming. I'll get a more in-depth review coming up, but yeah, here's the whip. Doors, obviously, finna go up, as always. A little bit of fitment, but yeah, door goes up, boom. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna hand the camera over here to Greg. Thank you guys very much for tuning in. I know you guys wanted a video of the TT, so here's a video of the TT. Hopefully it turned out good. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and gotta come back here, start cooking again, and got some more stuff for the Q7 soon. We might slam it, we might not, who knows. You guys might see that soon, but anyways, I appreciate you guys tuning into the video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in the next.